Alright, so this is going to be the MTX-L plus digital air fuel gauge. It comes in different flavors. One, it might have like a 3 or 4 foot cable. This one has an 8 foot. So this one's going to come with the Bosch 4.9 extra bezel, your cable that runs from your gauge to your car, your programming cable, and it comes with a bung. So that's awesome, right? There's a gauge. I'm gonna open this thing up. All right, so I actually like the white, but since all the gauges are black, they're all black, I'll be consistent in keeping it black, so I will just keep this one on there. So this one will go right into that one. Just gonna start replacing gauges, but this one, I'm gonna replace this boost gauge just because I like this one that has a vacuum and a boost, but it only goes to 20 pounds, so we definitely boost over that one. This one here has a, you can go up to 35. I have a vacuum up here. This one I get rid of. This is one of these, I remember these back in days, everybody just wanted it to say air fuel and Stoic was up there. That was it, but really calibrated one of the numbers. Anyways, most of these gauges work, right? I believe water works. I'm always finicky on that one. We don't run the car long enough to see the 180, I guess. I mean, obviously we can keep it on, but we've just been cranking it just to start up, take a little drive, and EGT works. So we're taking off the little gauge bezel here, right?
Is the plug the same?
And I pulled a bunch of junk out, right? It's just a bunch of rat sex up in here.
Yeah.
Because in there, I don't know if you guys can see, man. They got freaking Snickers, a whole trail of weird little stuff that's been stuffed in here. I think we found snake skin on the other side. So these gauges actually light up and work. These actually work too, but the lights weren't working. I'm pretty sure that's because all these cables were actually chewed up as well. So I'm gonna fix these while I'm in here. And we're removing the boost. All right, so this thing is, that says heater. This is part of the calibration process. After heater, it should go to calibration. Joe's holding the sensor over there. It's in free air right now. And, oh, there he goes, 22.4. It's gonna be the max just because it is sitting outside. Good. Guys, I like leaving the stickers on the corner of my TV and my monitors. Just feels new, you know? Maybe I should leave this on here. Who does that as well? Everything's installed. Let's get it going, huh? And it goes through. And it's going in. Let's let it do its thing here. It's actually saying heater again. I wonder if we have to let it calibrate. Alright, so this thing is coming off, I joke. I mean, it's in there. I'm gonna start it. Clear.